Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to get Clash of Clans Old Village to our new phone. It's work to iPhone and Android also. If you using same email address in new phone when I open the game, it's asked to load Old Village. If not asked to load Old Village, we need to go second option. Game start for new player, we should add our Supercell ID from game setting. Click setting icon on game screen. We can see our Supercell ID disconnected, then we should connect it. Click on red icon. Click the continue. Enter your Supercell ID. If not created your Supercell ID with your game, comment me below, I will teach you how to create Supercell ID. Then click log in. After they will send you confirmation code to your email. Type the code, then you will get Old Village. Comment me below, does it worked or not? Thank you. See you again.